I got a big bag today. It's another order from Shopdisney. I think I know what's in this, but let's see together what we got. I gotta be very careful because I know that there is a bag inside of here and I don't want to mess that up. Alright, so let's start with the obvious here. There is a Winnie the Pooh tote bag. Now, why did I get a Winnie the Pooh tote bag? Well, one reason, because my friend said, are you ordering anything from Shopdisney anytime soon? And I said, well, yeah. And she said, well, there's a tote bag where if you place any order, you get this for $12. Well, with all my discounts and all the sales that were going on and all the coupon codes that I used, I ended up getting this for about $9 to $10, so woohoo! I might have to go back and check this because they sent me two. I don't know what's up with that. So I got a second tote bag. Okay, so let's get to the meat and potatoes of things here. Ooh-wee. I've got a handful of stuff down at the bottom of this bag. What the French toast? Let's start with pin number 1. Pixar Remix Series 6. This is Tote. So we'll put him right there. And then we have another Pixar remix, and this is Mike Wazowski from Monsters University, because he's got his little foam finger on and his hat and everything. And I love how they actually close one eye, because Mike Wazowski only has one eye. That's pretty cute. So we're going to put him right here. Another Pixar Remix Series 6. This is Boo from Monsters, Inc. Let's put it right here. And then we have the evil Lotso. And I love how he's got a cane. That's funny. So that is all the Pixar Series 6 pins. And we're going to put him right here for the time being. But I still have more pins in here. What do I have? I've got a second Tote and a second Mike Wazowski. And a second Lotso, and I got a second Boo. So that was very interesting. I just got a double order of everything. I got an order of 4 pins and a bag, and then a second order of 4 pins and a bag. So that's nice. I'm gonna say this is karma because they've sent me so much damaged stuff. This is a first for me. Have you ever received a double order from Shopdisney? Let me know. Put it in the comments below. These pins were marketed as being released at 7 a.m. Pacific time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I logged on at 3:45 a.m. and ordered these pins. That's over 6 hours before the marketed time that these were supposed to be going live. Did you happen to get on early in the morning and get your pins ordered, paid for, and out the door? Or did you just wait until the day of? As of filming this on October 6th, these pins are still live online. So what I think actually happened was the first set, everybody just scurried to get them, the website crashed and you just couldn't get your orders. So I actually didn't get all of my first series pins. Then the second one, it was a little more difficult, and then as the series went on, it got easier and easier to get the pins. Series 5, they were up probably until a week after. Series 6, I ordered these on September 19th. It's October 6th. They're still live. I think people who didn't get the first few series were just like, you know what? I give up. I'm not gonna worry about it. So which one of these in Series 6 is your favorite? Mine is definitely Tote. Put it in the comments below. Tell me what your favorites are. Tell me what you want me to do with all those extra pins that I got. But until then, remember, no capes.